shit. Damn, this joint is crazy. Shout out, brother. I seen Big cruising down La Brea passing crazy girls. That's where it was. Damn.
It's like a traditional old Rolls Royce kind of style wheel.
Yeah. Man, this is sick.
Yeah, now you get like that full effect, you know?
But now you just see less of the brake calipers.
Yeah, you're gonna see less of that, but you get like the hint of blue, which is dope, and then you get that blue, and it all comes together really well. Now it's all white and blue, you know?
Yeah. Man, this looks sick.
Now it doesn't look like a real car anymore with the wheels. It's crazy. That Bank of America parking lot is just empty and it's a wall, so it's just so easy to film whatever we want there. It's down the street. I'll drive, you just get in the car, we'll go.
Oh yeah, okay, just go.
And then you'll leave from there.
Too, so
this is how you be taking the ones y'all be posting?
Some of them. Someone's done with this, and someone's done with the iPhone. Mostly Vic uses his phone.
Yeah, the last one y'all took.
Vic shoots better than him, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Right? Yeah. Yeah. See? Yeah, for pictures.
I just know angles of cars too. That's what. Because every car has an angle, like people, you know. All right, guys, you already know we're doing the giveaway today, featuring this car, the CoolKicks Rolls-Royce Wraith. As you can see, we just changed the wheels. We took off the chrome silver wheels. Those were temporary until Forgiato made a new set. Now we got the crazy wheels on there. These things are 24-inch. They have all those crazy spokes, so it's a full face wheel, one piece, and we painted it to match the car. So really crazy. Everything now is white and this baby blue color. So really dope theme. Almost looks unreal. In person, you can't believe that it's a Rolls Royce and it's sitting there. So that was the whole point with this. It's gonna be parked on Melrose in front of CoolKicks every day. People are gonna go nuts over it. Beautiful car, owner's super happy, so we're glad. Obviously, wrapping it a different color. A lot of people do that, but it's really the details and making the details stand out and look clean. That's where we're at. So as you can see, the Spirit of Ecstasy is painted white. We didn't do it blue because we wanted that contrast. As you can see, the emblem right here is white and blue. Normally this comes chrome and black. So there's a little secret way to make the inside of these blue and the outside white. Little trick that you could do. It's very difficult to do, and we really are like capable of doing this, and we've been doing it a lot with the white and oranges. You saw that before, so really dope, blue and white. The whole grille is also wrapped in blue. All these are individual pieces. You guys see us wrap this all the time. It's all reversible, which is great on a Rolls Royce. As you can see, the center cap right there, we made this special white and blue again to match the wrap. So everything is the same color, no color difference. And then inside, you can barely see it now because the wheels color matched brake calipers. So blue again. Emblem, of course, again, you have the white and blue Rolls Royce emblems all around the car. And then we pan up and we got this really cool pinstripe. This car originally had a pinstripe, so whenever you wrap over the pinstripe, it has a little indent line on it. So we decided to do another blue pinstripe ourselves to cover that pinstripe. So really dope. It's got that blue pinstripe on there too. So yeah, that's a lot of really little details on it, but that's what makes all these cars really come alive and look different than the rest of them.
You're supposed to go on the left side.
I am on the left side.
No, I mean right side.
Okay, I'll go right now. Hold on.
Just go. Don't wait for the red. Who cares? Just go. Just go, bro. Go. There you go.
Okay, let's do it. All right, guys, so we have a 1990 Lexus LS400 here. This is one of our customers for a very long time. We've done a lot of maintenance on this car, so she just wanted to make the car look really good. So that's what we did for her. We did a satin dark gray wrap on this car, along with 20-inch wheels on the car, a full blackout on the car. She wanted to leave these here because she just likes the car that way, so that's why we didn't do that. The grill's done, the window trims are done. We also did the brake calipers for her. She loves the car, and I personally like the car too, so this is a big upgrade for her from the cars of the 1990s, so we made it look back to almost new. It looks really nice, actually. So yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of car you guys drive, honestly. We work on all types of cars. We don't discriminate on any car, any model, any year. Whatever you guys have, whatever you guys want to do to your vehicles, bring it to RDB. Beautiful. Starts right up. Hey, buddy. This car drives very nice, actually. I mean, Lexuses are smooth in general, but you would imagine like a 1990 would be a little, you know, worn out and stuff. But we maintain this car. We do a lot of service and mechanical too, so that's why it runs good.
I'm on probation. You can't video me. So Vic put him on probation. He probably did something. Well, he doesn't do anything, so maybe that's why he's on probation. He just has to stay quiet and has to go to work. He has to do his job. He has about 2 weeks probation, and then everything will be back to normal. He'll be back on camera, and everything's gonna be fine. He gets gum once in a while. He could, you know. Your mouth never stops. Chewing gum. He's smoking cigarettes. His mouth hasn't moving. You know. Look at his bubble.
So we have an S63 here. This car was in a pretty bad hit. Luckily, the driver's okay. He did a lot of the damage on the left front of this car. Both arms were bent very bad, so the car wasn't drivable. We got this car in here today. Got all original parts for it from the dealer. Javier's just about done. We're gonna do an alignment on this car and give it right back to the customer.
And we give it to the customer.
Suspension repairs are completed. Alignment's done. The car is back to perfect, driving straight, good to go. So we're on the test drive right now. I just want to make sure everything's okay, and then we'll be headed back to the shop. Obviously, everybody knows the passing of Kobe Bryant. Not only a legend, he was bigger than basketball. I even grew up watching him as a kid for the last 20 years. The guy was amazing. He did so many good things for people. He actually changed a lot of lives. After his retirement, he was on to doing bigger and better things in regards to opening training camps, doing a lot of stuff for kids. I'm sure he was going to be one of those people who would impact so many more lives if he was alive. I mean, the guy he did everything he could. He lost his life in a very, very difficult way. He's going to definitely be missed. His daughter was on board, and there was a lot of other families on board. The whole world is actually hurting right now. This is a tough one. It really is. And believe it or not, today was a hard day to work. Very, very hard. RDBLA team is definitely very sad. It's a very sad day for us too at the shop. Believe it or not, that was one individual who did so much. And it's the only thing that really disappoints me is it could have been, you know, it could have not happened. But I guess there's a time and place for us all. So it was his time, and rest in peace, Mamba.
Alright guys, we are finally announcing the winner for the giveaway of the Yeezy Zebra V2s. We collaborated with CoolKicks, who we designed and built that Rolls-Royce Wraith, the blue and white. They also have a giveaway on their Instagram. Theirs is a separate giveaway actually, so they're giving a second set away. So if you don't win this, you have time. I think they're gonna announce it on Friday, so you have about a day to get this done. Get on their Instagram, make sure you're following RDBLA as well. But yeah, so the rules for this giveaway was you're subscribed to RDBLA and CoolKicks YouTube channels, you're following RDBLA CoolKicks LA Instagram, and then you're commenting on our YouTube video. So we have a YouTube random comment picker open right now. We're going to hit this and it's going to load up all the comments. It's going to go through all of them right here, and then we're going to pick a random winner. No bias, nothing. It's going to be randomized. As you can see, it's reading all the comments right now, and then we're going to pick a winner. We're going to be asking for your size, and we're going to be shipping to you the wheels.
Oh! Didn't even do it.
Okay.
Didn't even do it.
Here we go.
The winner.
Keep up the great work, RDB. It never gets old watching the videos. That's right. You deserve these shoes, CJ Bobo. Who is CJ Bobo? He has no content, but it's okay. He gets Yeezys. CJ Bobo.
You got it?
Hello.
Just pin the comments on top.
Yeah, this is him.
And yeah.
CJ Bobo.
Hell yeah. Got it.
He follows
You are the winner
all of us.
of the Yeezy.
CoolKicks LA. Follows CoolKicks.
We will DM you on Instagram. CJ Bobo.
Bro, what's so funny?
Funny.
Hey, you are saying it funny, bro.
CJ
CJ Bobo.
Okay, then Moses, say his name.
CJ Bobo.
You're so f***ing right. You can't say it normally. CJ Bobo.
What is
Oh, he's typing. He's typing. I don't know what to say. Wait, actually,
Yeah, hit circle so hard it broke on
wrong DM.
Wrong DM?
Actually.
Yeah, good one.
Wait, actually, wrong DM.
No, hold on. Wait, never mind. We chose the wrong guy.
Dude, I don't want to make him sad. Stop playing. We're joking. What's your shoe size? And the rest has to be private.
I'll be wearing this, which is one of our cool RDBLA shirts that we did, and I have a good practice today at inside the gym today. So we're going to play basketball with the guys, and I like these because they have a lot of grip in the gym. These are one of my favorite Kyrie Irvings actually.